Hi, friends. Good evening. My name is Achyut and I am from Vizag. So today in this class, we will learn to the introduction to the AngularJS. So in this class, we will discuss what is AngularJS and a few examples of AngularJS and what to expect in this tutorial, like in the upcoming future classes and the conclusion. So let's get into the class. Let's not waste the time. So introduction to AngularJS. So hello everyone, welcome to our AngularJS tutorial. In this tutorial, we will cover the basics of AngularJS. So what are the things? Basics of AngularJS, directives, expressions, filters, modules, and controllers. So we will cover the basics of AngularJS, directives, expressions, filters, modules, and controllers. We will also explore more advanced concepts like events, DOM, forms, input, validation, HTTP, and more. So what is AngularJS? AngularJS is a JavaScript framework. So what is AngularJS is a JavaScript framework that extends HTML with new attributes. It's perfect for building single page applications, SPAs, and is known for being easy to learn. It is known for being easy to learn. So getting started. Before we dive into AngularJS, you should have the basic understandings of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So you have to know the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So AngularJS was first released in 2012 and was created by Musco Havry, a Google employee. The project is now officially supported by Google. The project is now officially supported by Google. Example, let's take a look at simple AngularJS example. So this is the HTML tags. So where we have written HTML line, en equal to us, which means language English, and we are using script tag, and we are using source, and we are giving some link here. So link, and we are closing the script, and the body we are giving ng app. So ng app. In that we have don't give anything, and the p in the paragraph tag of what is p, it's a paragraph tag, and in that I have to give a name column, and I have to give an input. Like it is an input tag. I have to give a text input, and it's and the ng model name is name. So ng model name is name. So if you want to access this text, we have to access through ng model. So how can we write? Hello, two flower brackets name and two flower brackets closed. So this will give the whatever the text user will write in this text input, that input will be displayed here. Hello. For example, if I write Achyut here. So hello Achyut. It will appear. So this example demonstrates the use of NZ app. This example demonstrates the use of NZ app. Directed to define an Angular JS application. So it is a ng. What is the ng-app represents? It defines the Angular JS application and ng model directive. ng model directive. ng model directive is to bind the input field to a variable called name. Variable called name. So if you want to access whatever the user gave the text input in this in the text input, that text can be accessed by using ng model name. So here I have written name, right? So that's why I'm writing name. So whatever the text is written, the text will be displayed hello Achyut. So this is how we can display hello Achyut. So what to expect? In this tutorial, we will cover a wide range of topics from the basics of AngularJS to more advanced concepts. We will also try to yourself examples in every chapter, allowing you to edit the code online and see the results. So So in the upcoming classes, I will give you the examples. Right? I will explain the concept and I will give you the examples. You can try it at your own self. And you can also edit online, code online. So where you have to edit all those things, I will discuss. I will discuss in the class, like where you can. So what are the software which are required to the Angular? And in the next classes, I will discuss what are the software which is related, which is required, and what are the edit text editors which are required. All those things I will discuss in the next class, and I will execute some simple programs in AngularJS, and I will try to explain and I will give you the some examples also. You can try it by your own self. So conclusion, AngularJS is a powerful framework for building and web applications with its ability to extend HTML and its ease of use. It's a popular choice among developers. In this tutorial, we will take you through the basis of AngularJS and beyond, providing you with the comprehensive understanding of the framework. So this is the basic introduction class to the AngularJS. So what we have, like what we will learn in this tutorial. So these are the important things that we have, like we will learn in the future classes. So this is all about AngularJS class. So that's it, friends. If you find this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefit from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.